The Green Mountain State hearing loss affects a large portion of the population and people of all ages. According to the Hearing Loss Association of America, Vermont is the only state in New England without a law requiring insurance cover hearing aids. Activists and lawmakers in the state are waiting to make a change. Local 44's Jolie Sherman now with that story.
There is a treatment available. There is a solution to this problem. The problem is the cost.
Deb Baker is an active member of the Hearing Loss Association of America in Vermont, but her activism dates back to the mid-'80s. Baker suffers from hearing loss herself, and she says hearing aids are essential for living a quality life.
People don't realize that when you have a hearing loss, it's kind of like watching Wheel of Fortune, where you only get some of the letters. Well, we only get some of the letters, and then we have to put some energy into figuring out what the missing letters are, or the missing sounds.
She points out nearly 70,000 Vermonters suffer from hearing loss. Many may develop it over time.
And if you have a family member or a friend who's older than 65, 1 out of 2 have a hearing loss.
So you're saying that at least 50% of those 65 and older here in Vermont suffer from hearing loss?
Yes.
Its prevalence in the state and financial burden pushed Baker and her colleague Laura Siegel to create a petition. The bill's lead sponsor, Representative Teresa Wood, says she's determined to make hearing aid insurance coverage a priority.
It's unfortunate, frankly, that Vermont does not have a law that requires this coverage. And it's not only people think about this as affecting older individuals. It is not. It affects people who are born with a hearing loss.
Rep. Bill Lipper chairs the House Healthcare Committee, and he says while they haven't had the opportunity to take up the bill, it remains a priority for many committee members.
We have not yet had the opportunity to address this particular issue. It does affect many Vermonters, and I'm hopeful that we will be able to do this.
Jolie Sherman, Local 44 News.
Now, Representative Lippert says he anticipates stakeholders will argue that will increase premiums, but he says he believes this bill deserves to be passed.